Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a test to see if I can get a really big ballpoint ink stain out of a doona cover. So this is the stain that I'm working with. So as you can see, it is very big. Now this happened last night. I did put hairspray on it and I was blotting it. Some of the ink did come up, but as you can see, it's just huge and still very much there. So for me, the hairspray trick did not work. I'm going to try something that's like a little bit of a homemade remedy that I've heard about. So this is just some laundry liquid, a little bit of that. And then I'm gonna add in some white laundry like powder. Then we are going to add, I don't have fresh lemon, so I'm just adding normal lemon. Quite a bit of that. And then toothpaste, just whatever you've got, really. I don't know how much. And then I have an old toothbrush, so I'm gonna mix this together. I think we need more. It's very liquidy. It needs to be more of a paste. So I'm gonna add more of this. I think you're meant to do this with baking soda, but I don't have any, so I thought I'm gonna make this up and see if I can make it work. The lemon just makes it really fizz up. Maybe add some more toothpaste. Okay. So let's see if this does actually work. So you're just meant to like scrub the stain with this. I have had this problem before and I haven't been able to get the ink out. So I thought, like, to me this is not lifting at all. And people on the internet have been able to get old ink stains out, so I don't think leaving it overnight is an issue. To me, this isn't changing. Okay, I'm gonna add something that probably not meant to. Okay, I wanted to try bleach, but I'm gonna try this Scalex, which is definitely not meant for something like this, but like it removes stains in like your toilet. So I might, like, to me, if that was gonna come out, there would be some sort of movement. But I'm not getting any movement. And also, if you're gonna try something like this, definitely have an old towel underneath because it will soak through. Yeah, to me, this isn't really changing. Like, it's not even coming off on the toothbrush. So did the washing powder, washing liquid, lemon juice, toothpaste, Scalex work and lemon juice? Absolutely not. So if you're looking to remove a stain, this is not it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.